Hi everyone, I'm Kat. I'm going to show you all today the process of setting up and then cleaning after your neurofeedback or QEEG session. So starting with the equipment you're going to receive in your box, you'll have a computer and a charger, and you'll want to get this station set up either the day before or a few hours before your session so that everything is working and you're connected to the internet, but we'll get to that in a little bit. So computer, charger, and then you'll receive your cap. You'll get 2 of them, and each cap will also have 2 ear clips that are attached here, red and a white, and at the end you'll have this black piece as well. So 2 caps, and then you also have the amplifier and its charger, which should be plugged in after every session. And then you also have 2 dongles that will plug into the computer, a container of gel, and a syringe with 2 needles. So you'll also have an extra one, and they're blunt, so they don't hurt. So we're gonna get started with the setup. Also too, if you're doing the neurofeedback, you'll receive a bag of little foam donuts that you can use to kind of cushion your head so it's a little bit more comfortable, and those would go on the inside, and they have sticky backs that you can use to stick them and then place your cap on, so as an aside. But to get set up, we'll plug these in. So let me make some space. There we go. So the smaller one, the little gray one, goes at the top further away from you, and then the black bigger one goes in the next slot. So those plug in, and then we'll turn on the computer. Let it get set up. And this one is already connected to our internet here. So you're going to have to go in and connect to your Wi-Fi network once you have it turned on. And that will pop up in the right, not quite yet, but it's getting going. You'll also want to have some paper towels and probably a towel nearby when you do this because it can get a little bit messy. So logging in, all of the computers have the same password except for number 1. So everyone except for one, it's 3315. If you have box 1, it's going to be 108. So 3315 for 2 through 7, 108 for box 1. Okay. So set up here, this is where you would connect to your Wi-Fi. And
your internet is connected.
Connected. So at this point, you're getting ready for your session. You'll want to get there a little bit early just so that you have time to get everything set up. This end of the cap is going to plug into this end of the amplifier. So you can see that there are little gold pins here and holes here that will line up. So all you have to do is put it in and then take both of your thumbs and press. Okay. Like that till you hear the snap. So it's firmly in. And then you can turn it on and you'll see this turns green. And this is gonna turn to blue. So your amplifier will be green, little dongle will be blue. And then, once you're getting a little closer to the session, you can put your cap on your head, and you'll see that there's a tag. So just like with clothes, that goes in the back, and then the ear clips will go down the sides, also lines up with these little rings. And the front of the cap, you'll see these 2 electrodes should be right in the center of the forehead above each eyebrow. So not so low that it's here, but right about here. And you'll want that to fit firmly on your head, closely to your head, I guess I should say. And then the ear clips will hang down and you'll clip them just like clip-on earrings. So one on the right, one on the left. And those will also get gel, but your tech will explain everything about how to put the gel in. And basically that's what this is for. Your needle, you'll take the plastic cap off and then you'll use it just like a syringe, pulling the gel up and then putting it into each electrode through the hole on the outside. and your tech will tell you which ones need more gel once you're done. So that's about everything here. When you're done with your session, all you have to do is turn this off, and you can unplug and then charge this when you're done. And then you'll take this and you'll clean it each time. So that's something that we're going to go through.